What is up, everybody, to another Pokemon card opening. Today I have this. Yeah. And I've already opened it off screen because I have trouble with these. So, yeah. Let's see what we get. And I know for a fact there's not going to be much of anything good in this pack, but just hoping, I guess. I don't know. So first up, we have an alolan Ninetales. So that's pretty artwork with that. Hang on, let me adjust my light real quick. Okay, next we have Big Masada. It's food, so. Although, it looks like something else. I'm not gonna say what that pink thing reminds me of, but I'm pretty sure you guys can guess. Next up we have Great Ball. Green's Exploration. That's a new card. Steel Energy. Another Steel Energy. Steel Energy. Why so many energy cards? What the heck? Fighting Energy. An alolan. Looks kind of cute. Staraptor. Cute. And a alolan Sandshrew. Don't think I have this one yet. Bunnelby. We have a Gloom. Oddish. Alolan Vulpix. What is up with all the Alolans today? This is absolutely adorable. Love his little fluffy tail. So cute. And Alolan Sandslash. To go with my Alolan Sandshrew. So, also, that looks really cool how it is. That is really cool artwork. Kiwis? Yeah, so I'm kind of with the person that made this illustration. Done by Kiwis Aki. I think I spelled that correctly. I don't. Trying to get it where it shows. Yeah, okay. So anyways, yeah. Enough of that. That's cool. Again, so many freaking Alolans today. Hisuian Voltorb, sorry. Pretty nice illustration. Dartrix. Pretty cool. Yanma. I have way too many of these. Yanmega, which feels a little thick, but it's only one card, so. But yeah. Yanmega. And next one is a Hisuian Electroid. Wow. Hang on. Let me count and see how many of the ones I have. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4 alowans in total. Which not a very bad batch, so I'm happy, especially with this one. So I don't really see that many fairy type cards, so I'm happy I got an alolan version. But yeah, these are my alowans, which again, not bad. And this is the only Hisuian that I got, which a lot of dolls, but yeah. It wasn't. I thought I was gonna get some bad ones, to be honest, but nah. I'm happy with these. These ones I'm happy with. Especially the Ninetales, because look at that. It shimmers. Shimmer, shimmer, shimmer. I love the artwork. It's very pretty. But yeah, that's all for today. See you in the next one. Comment down below if you guys want to see more Pokemon. And who knows, I might reveal every single Pokemon card that I have, including each and every single duplicate, all in one video, which is gonna be a lot. So comment down below if y'all want to see that. Okay, bye.